Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel. Did you know that WD40 can simply and easily remove rust from chrome surfaces? As you can see, I've just removed a little bit of the rust from down here, but up here I haven't got to it yet. So I'm going to show you today how you too can easily use your WD40 to get rust off of a chrome surface. So let's get into it. So what you're going to need is obviously a WD-40, and I've just got this one with the flexible nozzle on the end, and then some steel wool, or if you want to be a little bit faster or a little bit hardcore, a wire wheel on the end of your drill. So to start with, what you do is you just spray your WD-40 onto those rusted surfaces liberally. You can see what I'm doing there, just spray them on. And come over here, we'll get a bit over here as well. And then we take our wire wheel or our steel wool if we want, and we just get stuck into that rust. So let's see. I mean, look at that. Look at the difference already. You can see straight away that surface rust is coming off and leaving the protected chrome that was actually underneath that surface rust. And it really didn't take me that long with that wire wheel. So I'm going to chuck you on time lapse and we're going to continue doing the whole of this handlebar. And what an absolute transformation we've seen here with these chrome handlebars on this lawnmower with the WD-40 and with a little bit of steel wool, or I used the actual wire wheel on the drill as you saw, but if you want to be a little bit gentler, use that steel wool folks. But it is a remarkable transformation. So if you like the video, give us a like and drop us a comment down below. Tell us what you think. And in the future, if you're interested in learning about DIY around the home, we do a bunch of things on the house, and we've got a bunch of cars on the channel, and we do some crazy things. So if you're interested in any of that content, do subscribe to the channel. Until next time, have a good evening.